Because of Hazel's request, we need to like ask our master about the question. This is the founder of Flipspin and he is...
Master Ed.
Master Ed. Ed, how old are you po?
52. This is not a stressful club. I'm actually 25.
Anong age kayo nagsimula maglaro ng yoyo?
Grade 6, 10 years old I think. Tapos nag 1A ako, I was 27 na yata. 26.
Nag-compete pa kayo?
No, nag-demo lang. Hindi ako pumapasa sa prelims eh.
Sino kasabayan niya dati?
Si Jay, si Glenn, si Chris, si Mimi. Yan, yung mga yan.
Ano ang pinakaunang yoyo niyo?
Russell, Tropical Hot Russell. Pero yung una kong Duncan Imperial eh. And then, una kong ball bearing was a Bumblebee.
Ano ang paborito niyong yoyo ngayon?
Di ko alam kung may ano eh. Anong production run sila siya nun, yung Barracuda niya na bago.
Meron siyang i-release.
Bagong signature ni... Kanina ba yung Barracuda? Basta yung bagong Barracuda na version nila.
Pero hindi pa nilalabas.
Di ko pa alam kung may production run na. Yung binigay niya sa akin was mabigat eh. Pero I like it.
Meron kami kasing tradition this year na mag-ask kami ng 3 questions to know if you're smart or you are knowledgeable in yo-yoing. So my first question is, sino yung unang taong nag-invento ng yo-yo trick?
Di ba si Pedro Flores?
Yeah, ting. Correct. Ano yung 5 divisions of yo-yo?
1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A.
Last question. Ano ibig sabihin ng A?
Yun ang di ko alam. Di ko alam yung A.
Yay! Pati si Master Edmond hindi alam. So wala pa nakakasagot.
Acheche na lang, acheche.
Kung ano,
Does anyone know? I don't think there's an actual definition for what the A is. Parang ano lang, division lang nila. Meron bang B? Diba? Wala namang B. 1B.
So hindi
wala namang.
hindi namin pwede i-reveal yung answer kasi marami pang i-interviewin tomorrow. Yeah, so let's see.
Sorry. I don't know.